Okay, so the bolt right here in the back was a 12 millimeter. So once that's done, there we go. All right, all right, all right. Shit, open it. So just open it a little bit. All right, so once this is open, I'm just gonna go ahead, take it out. Like so. That's, oh no, what was that? Look at that bad. That's pretty bad. What the? Oh no, that's bad. All right, these are pretty worn out. Yeah, both of the pads out. You gotta push these pistons back in. And I got this little tool from AutoZone. It's like 20 bucks or so. I'm not pretty sure. But yeah, you have to push those in. So you can use the used pads that you just took out. Put that there. And then, hang on. Give me a second. Alright. Put that like so. And just keep going. Keep turning this. Turn. Alright. So just keep pushing this. So with the all the pressure is going towards the pistons and pushing the pistons back in. And just gotta do it for both the pistons. You have one here and one there. So let's make sure they're pushed all the way in, and yeah.
So you can push those both in, like so.
Okay, so you're gonna get the new pads, and you need some lubricant or some brake grease. Just so go ahead, apply some on the back pad like so. There. Oh no. All right, apply some on here. Okay, so that's just gonna go. All right. Okay, so all right, let me just get this one. So for example, this part, the inner part of the pad has to be facing inward towards that. So since this is curving this side, it has to go within their whole circle. So the other one's in already. So just this part goes there, this bottom part goes there. It's pretty simple, just put it there. Just remember to lube it up on the back part and on the sides, and it should be good. Just close the caliper. You may have to like wrestle with this a little bit and adjust it to get both of the pads in. So it's pretty easy job. Changing brake pads, pretty easy. Just taking out this bolt, the wheel, and the pads. Nothing too hard.